Yo, what is up YouTube? We're back, man. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, man. You guys already know. First video of 2021. I just want to say thank you guys for still rocking with me. I've been doing YouTube for a little over a year, maybe a year and a few months, and man, it's been a fun road. I'm ready to attack 2021, bro. Just let you guys, take your mind off of everything else and just let's talk about sneakers, man. Let's talk about sneakers, man, because that's what this channel is really. It's really based on sneakers, man. That's really what keeps me going, man, is these sneakers and stuff like that, but there are going to be different things on this channel, man. If you are new to the channel, if this is your first time watching the channel, hit the subscribe button, bro. Look, man, my goal 5K, bro. 5K this year. We gotta hit 5K, man. It might take a little while. If we get to 5K, bro, I swear, bro, I'll be doing a dope giveaway somewhere along the lines of maybe your dream shoe. I might be giving away your dream sneaker, something that you've been wanting to pick up. Maybe a shoe that, obviously not something super expensive, but it'll definitely be something up there, man. I'm not rich either, but I do want to get back to you guys. If we get to 5K, that means you guys got to share the videos, hit the like button. That way YouTube could just shoot my video out to other people so it's in the recommended. And we're gonna grow, man. We're definitely gonna grow this channel, man. Shout out to everybody, man. 2021, we are here. 2020 was a crazy mission, man, to get through. I want to start out by saying, hey, man, this right here is a El Gato. I will be gaming, guys. You will be seeing me game a little bit on this channel. I'm a decent gamer. I don't want to say like I'm really good or that I'm like a badass gamer. No, I'm not, but I'm decent, bro. I'm competitive as well, so you might see me cussing, you might see me just getting a little mad behind the headset, behind the controller. You might even see me break a couple controllers, bro. You never know. Look, the video right now that I'm making is on this sneaker. I just have so much to say because this is my first video back after 2020, and this shoe right here got slept on heavy, bro. Like, this shoe got slept on so heavy, and I don't even know why. Why did this shoe get slept on, bro? I feel like if this shoe released right after the AZOs, I believe was the very first 700 V3 that dropped. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it is in the Elvas. If this shoe released right after the AZOs, I believe that this shoe probably would have done some crazy numbers. So anyways, guys, here's the shoe right here. I ordered this shoe before Christmas. I believe it dropped the weekend before Christmas or a couple weekends before, and I just received it today. But anyway, man, this shoe right here, I think it's a very beautiful shoe. This I really don't talk about resale numbers on this channel because I really don't care, but I'll let you guys know something about this shoe here. I think this shoe is definitely going to resell. I think this shoe is going to go for a pretty good amount of money in maybe a few months. A lot of crazy things are going to happen. Stimulus checks are being sent out, and income tax is just right around the corner. Like, literally, it's already there. Like, you could already go and do your taxes if you want. So with that being said, a lot of people are gonna get a huge refund, and well, they're gonna buy sneakers, so they're gonna go for the cheaper things, and these things are just gonna go up in value because this is one of the cheaper Yeezys that's on the market right now, along with the Quantums. That's crazy that the Quantums bricked. And hey, bro, like the Quantums, really, like the Quantums were, bro, look, let me tell you guys something. Back in February, I was one of the lucky few people in the United States, and you guys could go back to that video. I was one of the few people that picked up a pair of the Quantum basketballs, bro. I was able to compare it to one of my buddies' lifestyle version. Bro, those shoes were going for over $1,000. I picked up a size 13, I believe, because that was the only thing that was left, and your boy came up. I made like $1,300 on that shoe. So to me, like, seeing these shoes sit, I'm just like, wow, like, I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. I thought that was gonna be the next big thing, was the Quantums. But enough talking, bro. I'm talking a lot. I hope you guys are entertained or whatever. Man, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. The color is CLABRO, Claybro. Yeah, man, it's got the EC inside, whatever. I'll let you guys check that out for yourselves. Let me know if Adidas sent me a fake. Did they send me a fake? I don't know, man. I doubt it. So I already see something that I'm not too hyped about. I've talked about this on my channel before, and that is the spare laces. This is not, I'm gonna be putting these in these shoes. All right, I'm gonna be cutting these again, and I'm gonna put the regular laces in them because I don't like self-tied shoes or shoes that you can't tie or change the laces, or I just don't like being restricted to the freedom of what I could do with the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, these look good, man. These look good. These look really good, man. I actually do like these a lot. I do like these a lot. But with that being said, what I was talking about is this right here, the lacing system. Look, man, I don't like being restricted to what or how I could wear my shoe, and it sucks that you gotta cut these laces in order for you to get a little bit more freedom. Maybe you want to throw some brown laces in there off of your other shoes that you got laying around, but I just don't like being restricted to what I can do. That's the reason why I like shoes, because they're so free, and if I want, I could swap out laces, and I can't do that with this, man. And that's kind of why it just kind of makes me a little upset with the new lacing system. But yeah, man, I'm gonna chop this off, and I'm definitely gonna put the laces that it comes with. Let me take this other shoe out and put this back in here. You gotta get that Yeezy fart box, right? It's not legit if the box don't fart, bro. But so yeah, so let's talk about the colorway here. Well, let me show you guys the laces real quick. Let me show you guys these laces. Laces are dope, man. They're all blacked out, you know. The lace tips are also blacked out. Let me see if I could get my face out of there. There you guys see the lace tips. They are also blacked out. The whole lace is just all blacked out, man. So I love it. I love the laces. It would have been dope if they would have had like a brown touch to them, but it is what it is, man. I'm gonna put these right here on the desk. And as far as these shoes here, man, I don't know, man. Don't you guys think it'd be cool? Because these remind me of the Coppers. You guys know when the Oreos, the Coppers, the Infrareds, what were the green Yeezy V2s, all those dropped, and they had like this kind of a colorway. Wouldn't it be dope if they dropped the 700 V3 model in those colorways, maybe on a Black Friday? If this one dropped first, right? Obviously it dropped already. Now if they did 3 colorways of these in very limited quantities, wouldn't that be cool, man, to go after and to have the infrareds in this color, the green, and maybe not so much the green, because the green kind of looks like the Oreos. So if they had like the Oreo color and the infrared color and then this one right here, that'd be cool, man. I think that'd be super cool. The tongue, you know, it looks almost the same. I will say this shoe is almost impossible to get on your feet because of how narrow that is. You guys see that right there? Shit's so narrow, man, and it's impossible to get, like, it's almost near impossible to get it on your feet, man. And to take it off your feet, it's probably a little bit easier, but it's still tough. Especially, I can imagine with this new lacing system. It's got your little reflective materials right there, that 3M material on the tongue there on the bottom, connected to the toe box. And I mean, I like this. It's not a bad colorway, dude. I actually love this shoe a lot. I think this shoe is very, very nice. Let's hit it with the UV light and let's see if this thing actually. This thing just went flying, bro. I don't even know where this piece to the light went. Where'd it go? Yo, that's trippy, bro. Look, man, this light thing, like the face of this cover just went flying, and I don't know where it landed. God damn it. Hold on, guys. Let's hit these things with the UV light and see if they actually glow like the others. Yep, I'm already starting to see that thing glow, man. This is actually a crucial tool too. Shout out to Topps World and shout out to Dirty. Those guys are probably the guys that really like motivated me to get in one of these lights, because these are very crucial and legit chicken. Like, I don't know if you guys could see that. It's starting to come out green a little bit. But yeah, man, these do glow. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. And well, you know, I appreciate all you guys watching the channel. Another unboxing, but I think it's worth the money, man. 200 bucks. It's not bad, man. It's not bad for a Yeezy, bro. I'm glad I hit on them, and they're not going for much over retail. So if you want them, pick them up. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll be back later this week. I'm trying to set up a live with my boy Dirty's Got Soul. If you guys aren't subscribed to Dirty's Got Soul, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. He's on the road to 1,000 subs. It's your boy Jay, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Make sure you guys share this video, man. Like I said, I will be giving away a crazy pair of sneakers if we get to 5K by the end of this year. That's honestly the goal, but I will be doing other giveaways in between that. We're out of here. Thank you guys. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Ladies, man. 2021, we coming, baby.